Hi you guys, I'm about to cook some grilled chicken and we decided to go with online schooling is what we're gonna do. And look over that is where our washer and dryer goes. I have yet to purchase one, so we hang all of our clean clothes there to dry. They got washed at my mother-in-law's. Her birthday was the other day, and we got those back yesterday. And I'm about to cook some grilled chicken, so I need to heat up the cooking oil. But yeah, as far as Olivia's schooling goes, we are gonna do the virtual online. And I went online and put in for that, registered her for that. So that's done because the deadline was tomorrow. So I'm just using regular pure vegetable oil. What'd I tell y'all? Another train never fails. And then I got this chicken from Walmart. It's boneless, skinless chicken breast, so I do need to wash it. Let's see. Oh, here. So I'm gonna have to wash it in the sink, and then we will put our chicken down in our skillet. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you guys so y'all can see. Maybe right there. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the chicken and I will get back to you guys. Hi you guys, I just washed it, so now I'm gonna season it with our favorite seasonings. I use pepper, I use garlic powder, and onion powder. This is the garlic powder that I use. And we're just going to season the top side. And when I flip it over, I'll season the other side. And this is the onion powder. And I use these to put. And then when I use these to put in the skillet with the chicken. I just washed the chicken. This is what it looks like. So we're going to put that in our skillet. And let this grill. There's 3 more pieces this size. I was thinking about maybe boiling the rest of the chicken for maybe sandwiches or something would be nice. But I haven't decided yet. So, as of right now, I'm going to season the other side that didn't get seasoned with some onion powder, garlic powder, and I got these from Walmart if y'all are interested, and some pepper. So we're just gonna let these cook on the stove in my skillet, and I will get back to you guys in just a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. It's time to flip the chicken. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. That's what it looks like. We're just gonna flip that over. And these are like thick, big pieces, so it's gonna take a little while for it to get done. I wish now I would have cut them up into strips before I grilled them. You can always do that. Actually, I may go ahead and try to cut this one into a strip once in the skillet, because it's like super, super thick. Let's see here. And then Olivia, it'll be like grilled chicken tenders for her. So I'm just cutting it into like a strip, which is really hard to do in the skillet. This is just too big of a piece. And I have some cilantro I could put on top of my grilled chicken. The only thing for a side I have is like pasta noodles, or mac and cheese. I think I'm gonna heat up Olivia some mac and cheese. We got this like frozen mac and cheese. Shane picked up at the Dollar General, so I will heat her up that to go with her chicken, because I really don't have anything else I could pair with it. You just peel like the corner right here where it says open here, because I don't have any boxed mac and cheese. I do have boxed pasta, but the only sauce I have is red sauce. I'm out of Alfredo sauce, so I'm probably gonna have to do another online grocery order, or hopefully the car will be fixed by Friday and I can just go grocery shopping. But I'm gonna cook this and actually me and Olivia could split this and have this with our grilled chicken, because I want something with it. I'm super hungry, you guys. So hungry. I had a yogurt. I've had a yogurt. Strawberry yogurt is just about all I've had today. So, this is how it's looking so far. And the inside, if you can see, is still pink. If the inside is still pink, then that means it is not done. Alright, so I will get back to you guys in a bit. Okay, so the chicken looks like it's almost done. I'm going to flip it one more time. It doesn't look pink anymore on the inside, so we're just going to flip it one more time and let it grill a little longer. And while that's grilling, I'm going to check on my mac and cheese. Ooh, I need to wipe down that microwave. So, let's see if this is done. Hot. I don't know if anybody ever eats mac and cheese like this. I like it out of the box, but this will do. And then I'm going to put it on mine and Olivia's plate. So let me get a spoon to stir it. Olivia's dad, this is our plate, is at work right now. So he will have a piece for when he gets home from work. So I'm just going to stir it and add it to our plates to have with our chicken. And it is almost time to take the chicken off of the stove. Okay, there's that. This tastes, it needs a little bit of salt and pepper. Not much, but it's really, really good. So, I'm going to add some salt and pepper to the mac and cheese. And a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. And then we're going to take our chicken. I'm going to save this real big piece for that, Olivia's dad. I'm going to look in the middle of this and make sure it's not pink. Let's see. Because I don't want it to be like too done. It looks like, okay, that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, let me see. Because I don't want it like... Alright, let me check this other piece. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, since these are the smaller pieces, it doesn't take as long for them to cook. But the big fat piece is going to take longer. So I might leave it on longer. Yeah, the inside is perfectly white. So I think these are done. So we're going to take... Okay, we're going to take this piece. This will be my piece and put it on my plate. And then I'm going to put fresh cilantro on mine. So let me go ahead and add some. This is the cilantro I got from Walmart. Fresh cilantro. I'm just tearing like pieces off of the top to put on top of my chicken. Last night I heated up me a cheese pizza and I put cilantro over the top and it was so freaking good, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take Olivia's piece off and put hers on her plate. And then let this big fat piece cook a little longer so that it will be ready when... Actually, this big fat piece looks done. And I have like cucumbers and stuff, but that was what I was eating with salad and without a lettuce. And I really want a salad, but without a lettuce. Like I said, I gotta go grocery shopping. Okay, so here's that piece, and I'm gonna take a picture for a thumbnail. Let me show you guys. Alright, this is the final product, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.